I'm Ayush Verma. I'm a certified SOC analyst, and currently I'm working in organization as a security analyst. So, one of my friends suggested me this certification, and that's why I did this certification. And I'm very thankful to that friend who suggested me this certification. From starting, I wanted to make my career in cybersecurity, and I wanted to use my skill to secure any organization or any company. And that is the thing that I am doing nowadays in my company where I'm currently working, and that's because of this certification only. Due to the certification, I am confident in cybersecurity and SOC skills, and I am actively applying all these skills, whatever I learned from this certification, in my career or company, I can say. Firstly, it improves my cybersecurity knowledge and way of thinking, like so how to think like a hacker or the techniques of hacker. And as SOC says, how to respond proactively or reactively in case of attacks or attack scenarios. So I have learned from the certification that don't be panicked from the attack timing or in case of attack scenarios. Just look wisely and actively listening or actively looking for logs or your attack patterns wherever attack happens, and you will definitely find a way to remediate that issue, and you can easily find out the origin or the main reason of that issue. These all things I have learned through the certification of the CSA. Actually, I remember one incident. The attack happened on the server in my company, and uh, some member says that this is a huge attack, and we have to respond reactively on that attack. And as I did this certification, CSA, and I knew about the techniques, like where should I start or what should be the first starting point to remediate the issue or to find the origin of that attack. So we and our team start looking for that attack or for that origin of that attack, and along with my I and along with my senior, we actively respond to that attack, and within few hours we remediate that issue and found the entry point and origin of that attack. And yes, from that on that day, I can say that I secure my organization due to huge impact of that attack. If anyone is interested in the field of incident handling or SOC, then CSA will be the best option for them, because it starts, or we can say that the training CSA training starts from the scratch, and they are providing the in-depth knowledge from basic to advanced. So I love the way they describe the incident handling techniques and procedure, because the incident handling is the main or the core point of the SOC training. So that's why I'm mentioning again and again incident handling. So I must say that CSA will be the best option to start their career as a SOC or an incident handler or threat hunter, we can say. As we know that there are around 2,000 attacks happens every day. And every attacker techniques are different nowadays, and they are trying to attack on a different way on any organization. And it is very complex task to overcome this issue and analyze the attacker techniques and patterns. But as a SOC analyst, we already know how to identify the attack patterns and tactics and techniques. So I would say that due to the certification, uh, and SOC analysts can easily find the attacker techniques if they are changing again and again their techniques. So I must say that every organization or company should have at least one SOC analyst in your organization in today's era, due to the ever evolving threat and incidents. When I try to do some CTFs regarding the SOC or the monitoring and analysis part, so before doing the certification, I usually thought that what should be the first step, or where should I start analyzing and exploring log files, and or how to identify attack patterns, and how to solve this issue or solve this CTF. But after doing this certification, I have much confidence like how to start or where can I start searching or exploring so that I can remediate any kind of issue and analyzing all the attack patterns and incident happens on any organization. So CSA certification overcome this issue due to their in-depth explanation and procedures regarding the SIM, SOC, and threat, incident, and whatever they are providing in their certification. As a cybersecurity professional, my journey is very interesting and nice. I want to say, and I am doing well in this field. Currently, I am working in organization as a security analyst, as I mentioned earlier, and my work is to perform VAPT on their products and SOC and SIM kind of work, and I also do malware analysis and incident handling work in my organization. I am using a SIM software in my organization to all the monitoring and analyzing all the attack patterns and incident handlings and malware analysis type of things. As I have already used that software in my CSA training, which is available in CSA practical session, and I have used that software in that practical session. So I am very much confident to use the software, and now I am using the same techniques which I learned in the CSS practical session. Currently, I am enhancing my SOC knowledge to use that software, and I am trying to do some expertise in that software, which is EFK and Splunk. Yes, definitely. As a certified SOC analyst, I would like to recommend this certification to anyone who wanted to make their career in blue teaming or cybersecurity, especially in incident handling or SOC process. And the first key reason to recommend this course are as EC-Council are providing this certification, and EC-Council are providing this certification, and they are providing in-depth knowledge from basic to advanced in SOC and incident handling because incident handling is the main process and SOC is the main process for a SOC analyst or a SIM process. And the second reason is the in-depth knowledge they are providing through their practical session or lab session. And the third reason is as you handle incident or SOC process in their practical session, which is the main lab they are providing. So you can easily collaborate or contribute to the threat intelligence team. And the last but not the least reason is the CSA is recognized globally. And every company needs a SOC analyst nowadays due to massive attack vectors and attack patterns. So that are the main reason to recommend this certification, and I would definitely say that everyone who wanted to make their career in blue teaming, they should do CSA certification.